Good day, everyone. My name is Jaydee1030, otherwise known as Jermaine, and I'll be teaching you today how modern day slavery still continues in America today. I currently am working at QuikPark Garage. I am the only individual working on my shift, which is unlawful due to the fact of the amount of work that is being done. I'm unable to take a 30-minute break because I can't leave the garage. So how am I supposed to get a 30-minute break? And if you work more than 6 hours, you're entitled to a 30-minute break. Let me explain. Since the morning, I've been overworking myself, moving clients' vehicle to get vehicle from different areas. People message and it goes to a board. And these are vehicle that's come in, and also I had to be moved due to the fact that a client vehicle was either behind the front vehicle or is in a column. So if I imagine a vehicle in that column coming out in 2 hours or 30 minutes from now, I would have to move this vehicle, and then that vehicle. Not to mention the vehicles that I already had in the way due to the fact I'm the only one working. Because as soon as I pull out that vehicle and put it in front and ready, now someone drop off their vehicle that needs to go and park. So this is me one in the parking garage, working, slaving away. So this is how modern day slavery still take place today in America. Let me show you all the vehicles I have to go and get. Information, but those are the vehicle that I have to get right now. Plus I already put down cards because I've already gotten those vehicles. So it's me one in the parking garage, working, busting my bum away. Jaydee1030, Jermaine Douglas by himself, today on October 16th, 2022. My manager wanted me to work at 7 a.m. After on October 15, 2022, I finished work at 11, but after doing my research, I am entitled to 8 hours of rest. So I messaged him and told him I will be coming at 10 a.m., which I was scheduled for. Because if I come back at 7 a.m., it takes me about 1.5 to 2 hours to get to work. So how much rest would I get? This is how modern day slavery continues in America. And yup. So the continuation and how America is still slaving us today. Right here, I have approximately 35 cars that I have taken out. I don't want to show the front due to the license plates and the people information on it. So this is approximately 35 tickets me one has taken out by myself in a garage full of 300 cars. And be mindful that not all of these cars are at the front. They're being blocked by 3-4 cars at times. So I didn't only drive 35 cars to take them out, but I had to move over 40 cars to take out 35 cars. Then approximately 22 monthly members came and dropped off their vehicle since my shift had started. So I had to park 22 monthly vehicle, and some of them told me that they weren't using the vehicle for a few days or such and such. So I had to move cars to park their vehicle behind. So I moved over 22 vehicle just to park 22 vehicles in a garage of 300 vehicles. While I have to be going back and forth from the office to speak with the individual and then go back to in the garage wherever is located. And then I've received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've received 5 daily cars, and these are cars that doesn't pay a monthly payment but just come in whenever and check in. So this is how slavery is still going on today. Me one in the office, no one else. How can I go take a 30-minute break? I'm getting hungry. What should I do? Should I just leave the garage? Comment down below and tell me how you feel and what should I do in this position. And how should I go about getting lunch? So this is how it works. Someone message us and we receive it through this device, and then I check the number 194. I come over this wall, find 194. I see what type of car it is. It says a blue Honda. So it's a blue Honda with temporary plates. So now afterwards I look where it's kept. So I look at where 194 is kept in 13. So now I gotta go all the way over to 13 parking spot, which is all the way in the end, and look for a blue Honda and bring it out and place it somewhere here in a ready position so they could come and drive out. So 9 is over here. This is 9. This is 8. This is 7. This part is 8, right? Right over here now. You see all over here. 7. We got 10. We got 11. We got 12, and you see 13 all the way back there. And then 14. So 13 extends over there where you see that blue. But that's a BMW though, not the Honda. This is 6. And then the other numbers is behind. So I came to 13. I located the blue Honda. And now I got to drive it out. So imagine if the blue Honda was all the way in the back. You see how much vehicle I would have to take out? These two. And then I had to put them back. I actually took out a vehicle before. The blue Honda was on the other side. And I took out a vehicle before and placed it here. So don't think that people don't work hard. We work hard every day to make up bread so we could be sufficient to make it to the next year. So I just put the Honda in the ready position, but y'all thought that was it? No, 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 we have another level. And this level is called R. This is the ramp going all around. We have car parking on the side. That sound is a car coming down. See? And I'm not sure if y'all hearing that little ring, that da-na-na. Let me see, let me make y'all hear that. Da-na-na. Da-na-na. Yeah, so that just shows another car coming in needs to come out. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go grab 61 and mark ready. And that sound that you just hear, that bing, it means one of the building doors is open. So an individual either going in or they're coming out. So now I gotta go grab back a car that I just parked that came in earlier today. Yeah, that's a little piece of slavery in America today. I hope y'all enjoy the content. I hope I could continue to educate. I hope y'all like, share, and subscribe. And let's spread the word and let's try to get people of color to elevate. Hits Without Mix available October 30th, 2022. That's my 20th birthday. The link will be down below to all my media sites. Go check out the songs. I hope you like. I hope you appreciate me as I appreciate your comment that you made on this video and the like. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Rise up, the berry, the Uzi, and the